Hello, I'm Dr. Abhay Chopada, and I am experienced in both gastroenterology and surgical practice. Hernia repair is one of the most common surgical procedures worldwide, with millions of operations conducted annually. While traditional surgical mesh has long been the standard for reinforcing weakened tissue, recent advancements in medical technology have introduced innovative materials that promise improved outcomes and reduced complications. Today, we'll explore these cutting-edge developments and their potential to revolutionize patient care. Traditional polypropylene mesh has been the standard in hernia repair for years. While it's durable and integrates well with tissue, providing strong support, it's not without drawbacks. Patients may experience chronic pain, infection risks, or mesh rejection. These challenges have driven researchers and medical device companies to develop alternative materials that maintain the benefits of traditional mesh while addressing its limitations. Let's explore how these innovations are transforming hernia repair. One of the most exciting developments is bioresorbable mesh, which provides temporary support during healing and then gradually dissolves. This innovative approach reduces long-term foreign body presence and lowers the risk of chronic pain. For example, Phasix mesh resorbs fully within 12 to 18 months while maintaining strong tissue support. This represents a significant advancement in addressing long-term complications associated with permanent mesh. Modern innovations include composite meshes that combine different materials for optimal performance, biological grafts derived from human or animal tissue, and cutting-edge nanofiber technology that mimics natural tissue structure. Each option offers unique advantages, from reduced adhesion risks to improved tissue integration. These advances allow surgeons to choose the most appropriate material based on individual patient needs and specific hernia characteristics. The evolution of hernia repair materials mirrors other technological advances in our lives. Just as phones have evolved from basic devices to sophisticated smartphones, hernia repair materials have transformed dramatically. These improvements have made treatment more precise and personalized than ever before. The variety of available options means we can better match materials to individual patient needs, much like choosing the right tool for a specific job. The field continues to advance, with exciting new developments on the horizon. Smart meshes that adapt to patient anatomy, drug-eluting materials that actively prevent complications, and custom 3D printed solutions are all becoming realities. These innovations represent not just new materials, but entirely new approaches to hernia repair. The future promises even more sophisticated options for addressing complex hernia cases. Modern hernia repair materials are like having a high-tech wardrobe for your body's repair needs. From dissolvable support to smart meshes, we've come a long way from the one-size-fits-all approach. Think of these new materials as your body's personal tailoring service, custom-fitted solutions that work with your natural healing processes. Who knew medical materials could be so sophisticated? It's like having a tiny, specialized construction crew working to rebuild and reinforce exactly where needed. Choosing the right material involves careful consideration of multiple factors: the type and size of the hernia, patient's overall health, risk factors for complications, and specific anatomical considerations. This tailored approach aims to optimize outcomes and minimize risks. Your surgeon will evaluate these factors to determine the most appropriate material for your specific case, ensuring the best possible results. Your hernia repair journey is as unique as you are. By staying informed and engaged with these various resources, you're not just learning about surgical materials, you're preparing for better treatment outcomes. So keep reading, keep connecting, and keep exploring these innovative options. Until next time, this is Dr. Abhay Chopada, reminding you that when it comes to hernia repair, knowledge truly is power. Happy learning, And here's to the successful surgical outcomes.